Welcome to the Field of Honor closing ceremony at American Legion Post 3. Thank you for your support, and a special thank you to the Salem Rotary Club and the City of Salem, Virginia, and all of our veterans and those currently serving, and all of our first responders and all sponsors for over 500 flags for making this Veterans Day possible.
Your presence today represents the strong leadership and the strength and unity of our leadership in this city, so thank you all for being here. There's not a more appropriate place either for Rotary Club's Field of Honor than right here at the American Legion Post 3. I'd like to share a quote with you right now by Joseph Campbell. He's an American mythologist, writer, and professor, and he became widely known for his work on hero's journey. A hero is someone who has given his or her life to something bigger than oneself. Bless American Legion Post 3. Bless Salem, Virginia, and God bless America. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my story. And the story is how do you become a veteran? A number of our veterans, based on the time they served, they had no choice. They were drafted. And our country came calling and said, you have no other choice. You will serve. And this is the part, seals the deal. So help me God. Might be basic training. You've entered into a family of the military, regardless of what branch you're in. Our time in the military, I'm getting so off script, but you just bear with me. To have someone that says, I'll lift you up, and when you need me, I'll lighten your load. So much sacrifice. We learn to pray. We learn to pray. So not only do we learn to become men and women, but we came to know who our Lord is. That's why God, country, family. That's the trifecta that veterans are well aware of. So we've got 512 flags out here. But what I do want other veteran families to know is that we are all part of their family. Our Purple Heart veterans, our Bronze Stars, our Silver Stars, they all need us now more than ever. We're still serving.
Beautiful for spacious skies, forever waves of grain, for purple mountains' majesty, above the fruited plain. America, America, God shed His grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shine.